Hey there, are you tired of your low-paying writing gigs? In this video, I'm going to be spilling 6 resources that would help you land a high-paying freelance writing gigs. Trust me, you want to stay till the end because the last gig is a total game changer. Before we dive right in, hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. So we are all about finding new ways you can earn money from the online space. So if this sounds interesting to you, you want to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. We are on a 30 days marathon to getting 10,000 subscribers on this platform, and I'm sure you want to see how this turns out for us. So stay tuned to this platform. Freelance writers are tired of the peanuts they get from their writing skills. But what if I told you that there is a gold mine somewhere that freelance writers can earn thousands of dollars just from their writing skills? Well, stay till the end of this video because we are uncovering the best kept secret in freelance writing work. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate the fact that you always click on play each time you see any of my videos. Now, this is what some of the lead YouTubers say about freelance writing jobs.
Online writing is about publishing where the readers already are, i.e. social media platforms. And that's why most people haven't heard of it, because we've all grown up on the idea of legacy writing.
You are not the main character of your story. The reader is the main character.
The first resource that can help you land a high-paying freelance writing job is called Who Pays Writers. Let's take a look at how you can land a high-paying gig on this platform. Who Pays Writers? Now, this is not a platform where you get freelance writing gigs, but it's a platform where you get rates of other freelance writers all over the world. Why did I select this as a first resource for freelance writing? This is because this platform will help those of you who have not yet started your journey to know that you can earn a lot of money. You can even know which platform or which company you can write for and earn more, because right here your colleagues are reporting the rate of how much they earn per word and what exactly they wrote and for which company. If you scroll through right here, you're going to see here we have $0.90 per word for Cosmopolitan UK. It was paid in 15 days ago. This person wrote 300 word blog post. We have 0.30 words right here. $0.30 per word, $0.50 per word for National Geographic Travel. You times it by 1,000 words and see how much you can earn. So you can take your time as a freelancer or someone who is willing to get into this side hustle. Just go through and see the platforms, the companies that other people have been writing for. Midnight and Indigo. This is another great place where you can write and earn. BBC, we have here $1 per word for Neoma magazine. I mean, just go through and check what platform is paying better and if they pay as often as they promise their client, because definitely everyone here would tell the exact problem they are facing with this. So if you're already a freelance writer and you want to report a rate, you can click right here on report, and here you see here, this is not a job board. No one gets hired through this website. This site is for reporting rates for work you have already completed. So if you're a freelance writer, you can come and report your company, your platform right here. You have here what company, publication was this job for. We have what year, how long. So you just fill in every question right there and you scroll to the bottom. When you're done, you click on finish. So this is a great platform for anyone who is looking forward to getting a side hustle and doubting if freelance writing is a great side hustle. The second resource that can help you to land this high-paying writing gigs is Guru. Guru is an amazing platform for freelance writing gigs, and I really love this platform because it is easy to use and you can easily withdraw your earnings. Now, one of the challenges we face as freelancers in Africa is withdrawing our earnings directly into our bank account or having an easy way to withdraw our earnings. And Guru gives us that. So if you're a freelancer or you're planning to start, this is a great way to start. It is beginner friendly and you have gigs that pay highly. Now right here they have over 800,000 employers worldwide. They also have 1 million paid invoices, $250 million paid to freelancers. So if you're a freelancer, this money is speaking loud. Now let's take a look at some of their jobs to know how much you can earn as a freelance writer. Right here we have transaction writer and translation, $10 to $15 hourly, right? Here we also have transaction writer and translation, $10 to $15 hourly. We have YouTube channel manager under $250. This is a fixed price. Oh my god, this money is loud. So you can scroll through and check how much you can earn depending on your niche. They have 83 more freelance writing projects, so you can click right here on view all and see the other projects that are on this platform. Now you can go through depending on your niche to see what you can write on, and for you to get started, it's just for you to come right here and click on sign up or sign in if you already have an account, or if you're looking for writers, you can then click right here on post and post the job for us to earn money as freelance writers. Amazing, right? If you find this video helpful, please go down to the comment section and let me know that I am sharing information of value with you all. And click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell if you haven't yet done so. Remember, it's the 30 days marathon to gain 10,000 subscribers, and it's not all about me, it's all about the community I am building, and it all begins with you. So you want to click on that subscribe button. The third resource that can help you land this high-paying freelance writing gigs is Facebook groups. Now let me show you how you can find these Facebook groups and how you can find a freelance writing gig that will pay you thousands of dollars. Facebook group is one of the underrated resources to find freelance writing gigs. But right here on search, you can type in FinCon community, and you guys know why I love FinCon. I really love money and finding new ways you can earn money from the online space. All right, so what you do right here is to look at all the groups. Click on the group that you're more interested in. You join the group, and then you can start seeing information on jobs and also on how you can improve on your writing. Remember, in this group, you're going to have people that are like you, that are interested in freelance writing, so you can communicate with them, share your challenges, your successes, and also where they find most of their jobs. Right here on search results, we have filter by all, post, people, photo, video, marketplace, and a lot. So you can filter as that. So because we are here to find freelance writing gigs, we're going to type here freelance writing jobs so we can connect with our community. So right here we have freelancer job online, 130k members. We have freelance writing and SEO jobs. So anyone you're interested in, what you can do is to click on join and you become a part of that group. So it's as easy as that. Just make sure you join as many groups as possible, freelance writing groups, and then come back there every other time to find a job for yourself. The fourth resource that can help you to land a high-paying freelance writing gig is for you to join freelance courses and or elite groups. Freelance writing courses is another great resource for freelance writing gigs. Now, if you come over here to Skillshare and type in earn more writing courses, you will see different courses that you can read. All right, just scroll through and see different courses depending on your niche. And then before you access any of those courses, you need to pay for the courses. But the advantage of paying for these courses is that when you become part of the course or you pay for the course, you will be directed to become one of their Facebook group members. Now, their Facebook groups are always very small and engaging with like 100 people, 1,000 people, 2,000 people, and they are like-minded individuals, meaning that everyone on this group is a freelance writer looking for a job, wanting to grow in this niche. So you would definitely have to share ideas and share different jobs that are available from different platforms. That is the advantage of buying a course from any of these freelancers right here. All right, this is not what I would advise a new freelance writer to do, but if you have the finance, you can go through these courses and see which of them you're interested in and you can afford. Get the course, become a member of their Facebook group, and then you can interact with other members, sharing your challenges, your win points, and then you would also see jobs that are uploaded in that platform. And the fact that there are very few people in the group, you will be able to communicate more and grow more as a freelance writer. So, if you love the research so far, please go down to the comment section and drop a beautiful comment for me there. And do not forget, we are on a 30 days marathon to gain 10,000 subscribers on this channel. And this all begins with you. So, you want to click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and click on that like button. Thank you all, and let's go back to the main topic for today. The fifth resource that can help you land a high-paying writing gigs is called Scripted. And Scripted is focused on connecting business with high-skilled writers. There are a lot of high-paying gigs right here on Scripted, but they are more selective in accepting writers. Scripted has been a wonderful resource for original content. It's one of the platforms where you can get freelance writing gigs. So you can come right here, click on get started, and you fill in your details and start your free trial for 30 days. Now, one thing I love about Scripted is that it's a platform where you get skilled writers, although it's not really beginner friendly. So I will not advise you if you are starting out to come right here on Scripted, because they are looking for skilled writers on this platform. Although you can still get gigs, but you would have limited chances of earning really well on this platform. But if you're already a skilled writer, then you can take your chance on this platform. Remember what I said. To grow as a freelance writer, the more you write, the more you have experience. All right. So the more gigs you get, the more experience you have as a freelance writer. The sixth resource that will help you to land a high-paying gig is called IWriter. IWriter focuses on content writing. Clients will post their orders and the writers will select which of the order to work on. iWriter is an amazing resource for freelance writing gigs, and I really love it because it's beginner friendly. All right, so if you're interested in being a freelance writer, you can come over here and start your journey. Let's check their pricing right here. Fast, affordable, high quality written content. Now below here we have their pricing. Edit AI, we have $0.01 per word. For premium, we have $0.02 per word. For elite, we have $0.04 per word. Elite Plus, we have $0.08 per word. Now you can scroll through and read the details of their pricing because it also depends on what topic you are writing on. Right here we have AI created and human edited. We have up to 10,000 words. Free proofreading. We have unlimited revisions and a lot more. So this is a platform I trust, and it has a lot of gigs for freelance writers. So you can take your time right here, read through and see where you belong depending on your niche. So, these are the 6 resources that will help you to land a high-paying freelance writing gig. Whether you're a pro or you're just starting out, these resources will help shape your writing career. Do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Remember, we are on a marathon to getting 10,000 subscribers in 30 days, and it begins with you, my forever community. Love you all and see you on our next video. Bye bye.